Solve the triangle. So we have all three sides given. A equals 4, B equals 3, and C equals 6. Now we need to find these three angles. Angle A, C, angle B. Since all three sides are given, we need to use the law of cosines. So there are three provided, but let's use any. So let's use the first. A square equals B square plus C square minus 2BC cosine A. Now we will be able to find the angle A in this case. So A square, A is 4 square 16, B is 3 square 9, C is 6 square 36, minus 2 times B times 6. C is 6, so 2 times 3 times 6 cosine of A. That's 16 equals 9 plus 36, 45, minus 2 times 3, 6 times 6, 36 cosine A. Okay, do not subtract. Now subtract 45 from both sides. Subtract 45 from both sides. Negative 29 equals negative 36 cosine A. Now divide by negative 36. Then cosine A is isolated. Cosine A is negative 29 divided by negative 36. Okay, negative cancel. So A equals cosine inverse of 29 over 36. Use a calculator to get A equals. Using calculator we get cosine inverse of 29 over 36 is 36.3361. So this is one of three angles. Now we need to find B and C. As soon as we find the value of B, since the sum of three angles is 180, C will be 180 minus A minus B. So to find B, we can write the same type of law of cosine, which is for B. So we need to start from B square equals C square plus A square minus 2CA cosine of B. Okay, let's use that. So B square equals C square plus A square minus 2CA cosine B. That is B is 3 square 9 equals C is 6 square 36. A is 4 square 16 minus 2 times 6 times 4 cosine of B. Okay, it's similar process, by the way. 36 plus 16, that's 52, minus 2 times 6 12 times 4 48 cosine B. Subtract 52 from both sides. 9 minus 52 we get. So subtract 52 from both sides. 9 minus 52, that's negative 43 equals negative 48 cosine B. Now this is times. Divide both sides by negative 48. So cosine B equals negative 43 divided by negative 48. Negatives cancel, so 43 over 48. Now take the cosine inverse, then B equals cosine inverse of 43 over 48. Using calculator we get that B equals 28.3843. That's another answer, second angle. So we found A, we found B. Now to find C, since the sum of three angles is 180, then C is in fact 180 minus A minus B. Subtract 36 point this, subtract A and B from 180, and we get 117.2796 degrees. and that's the third angle. Final.